Good day everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Our topic is about three-way switch. A three-way switch wiring makes it easy to turn a light fixture from two separate locations in the home. Wiring one is slightly different from wiring a single pole switch. In a standard single pole switch, one light switch controls one light fixtures on and off. In a three-way switch wiring, there are two switches and one light. First, I will show you what are these terminals in the switch. This is a three-way switch. As you can see, there's a number of each terminal. This one is 0 terminal. This terminal is known as the common terminal. How about these two terminal? It's labeled 1 and 3. These two terminals are called traveler terminals. There is no standard for wire colors on a three-way switch traveler. A three-way switch has no on and off markings because the toggle can turn the light on or off in either position. So you can on, you can off, on or off. Let's start wiring this three-way switch. So we have two switches for three-way. This switch number 1 and switch number 2. This is our lamp and one circuit breaker. We will follow this wiring diagram. Line number 1, we will use black color. Always remember, electricity is dangerous, not to be toyed with. I use black for terminal 1 so that you can follow where will be the connection of terminal 1 and terminal 2. Okay, this terminal 1 going to the junction box, and it will go to switch 1. And then it will go to switch. From hot wire, it will go to 0. So where is the 0? 0. Both hole is 0 or terminal is 0. So either of these two holes you put this wire. Okay. Next, we need a traveler. Going to switch number 2. I will use brown color for terminal number 1. This is the terminal number 1. And then I will use white color for terminal number 3. This terminal number 3. So we have already completed this line from terminal number 1 to switch and this traveler. So we will go to switch number 2. Remember, this brown color is terminal 1 and the white color is terminal number 3. So we need a traveler going to switch number 2. terminal 1, which is brown, terminal 3, which is white color. Check where is the common and where's terminal 1 and 3. This is terminal 1 and 3. In our diagram, from switch 1, from terminal 1, the wire should be going to terminal 3. This is terminal 0. From terminal 1, it will go to terminal 3, switch 2. So this brown color will go to terminal 3. And the white color will go to terminal 1. Okay. We finished wiring the switch number 2. Now we will wire the load going to the lamp and going back to the circuit breaker. I will use blue color wire so that you can follow. From here, switch number 2, I will put 2 common terminal. And then going to lamp holder. When putting this lamp holder, make sure that this must be in the direction going to switch. Okay. As you can see, going back to neutral or terminal number 2, line number 2. Now we are finished wiring the 3-way switch. Let's check if our wiring is good by using multi-tester. The setting of the multi-tester is continuity. So when checking the continuity, you have to make sure that the circuit breaker is off. It's okay. I'll switch on. Okay. I'll switch off. Okay. Switch on. Switch off. Switch off. Switch on. Switch off. So our wiring system is not short circuit. Let's try. We'll put power. Switch on. Okay. Switch off. Switch on. Switch off. Switch on. Switch off. That is how the 3-way switch works. Why we have travelers? We have travelers because power travels from one switch to the other through both wires, but only through one wire at a time, and is determined by the configuration of the toggle switch. This is the traveler wire, brown and white. When the circuit is on, any of these may be hot, depending upon how the switches are toggled. When the first switch turns the light on, the electrical current runs through one of the traveler's wire. However, if the second switch is used to turn off the light, then the current will run through the other traveler wire when the first switch turns on light on. Think of how a conductor switches a moving train from one track to another. That's how a three-way switch routes the electricity along either traveler's wire so both switches can control the light. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand our topic.